that naturally clear arteries, cleanse and eliminate inflammation, and stimulate the immune system. Avocados are strong in healthy fats, which can help to balance and regulate blood cholesterol levels, keep arteries clear, and prevent clots if ingested on a regular basis. Asparagus has been discovered to be a very effective blood cleanser, capable of lowering blood pressure and slowing the formation of blood clots. It is high in vitamins B1, B2, C, E, and K. Pomegranates contain a plethora of antioxidants that help to protect artery membranes. They also promote the production of nitric oxide, which allows blood to flow more freely through a person's blood vessels. Turmeric helps to keep arteries clear and reduces blood clots by reducing inflammation and hardening. Persimmon is high in polyphenols and antioxidants, which both help to lower bad cholesterol and triglycerides. They also aid in the normalization of blood pressure and the cleansing of the arteries. Spirulina helps to regulate blood fat levels, normalizes lipid levels, and contains necessary essential amino acids, which help to improve the immune system. Cinnamon has the ability to lower dangerous cholesterol levels and remove plaque, preventing it from forming in the arteries and blood vessels. Broccoli helps to prevent calcium buildup in arteries and helps to reduce blood pressure and normalize cholesterol. Cranberries are estimated to reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 40% in the majority of people. They have a significant amount of antioxidants, which aid to raise HDL while lowering LDL. Green tea includes a high concentration of catechins, which aid to slow cholesterol absorption and reduce blood lipid levels by clearing artery blockages. Green tea also improves a person's cardiovascular health and metabolism. The health of our bodies begins with the care of our hearts. If you take good care of your heart, you will take good care of your body. Your diet and lifestyle choices will have a long-term impact on your heart health and overall well-being.